I wonder where I should throw away this cup.
Do you think of yourself as an eco-friendly person? Do you worry about disposing of your daily trash correctly? If yes, you should play our game. If not, you should definitely play our game. Introducing TrashBash, a VR game designed to foster eco-conscious habits by educating players on effective trash sorting. Users essentially sort different types of compost, garbage, and recyclable items and get to know more about the importances through AI. We also hope to shed some light on trash management inequalities in other parts of the world and how our current system is still struggling to fight pollution and address the root causes.
A trash sorting game? How boring.
Now, we give you 5 fun and unique levels to play through as you get educated about trash disposal. Each scene gives you a different perspective, story, and even different music.
So what are you waiting for?
Try TrashBash today.